Vidra College, Grade 2, Buddhism. Let's see what are the things we have to learn today. Observing the 8 precepts. Atasa. My dear children, tell me, do you know about 5 precepts? The 5 precepts we observe daily are a promise to yourself not to do 5 actions. Let's see what are those 5 actions. 5 precepts. First, do not kill. Second, do not steal. Third, do not misbehave. Fourth, do not lie. Fifth, do not drink liquor. On Puja days, Buddhists observe Atasa, 8 precepts from morning till evening. Usually Atasa is observed in the temple. To observe Atasa, you have to wear the Atasa dress. A usual dress in white, a shawl to put over the shoulders, a large handkerchief, a plate and a mug. Children, you see this lady? She is wearing a dress in white. She is covering her shoulder with a shawl and she is having a large handkerchief, a plate and a mug. Do you know how do we spend the day in the temple on Puja day? We will attend to the meditation program. And there are Dhammadesana program. We can enter to the Buddha Puja. Lunch, midday meal, we call it Dana. The people, those who are observing Atasa, they will rest after the lunch. Spirit chanting. Observing Sil is a meritorious deed. Hope you understood the lesson. Stay safe and thank you, children.